All right, guys, I made a small update to the Growth Accelerator, added an additional field to check out with, and that is going to be an end date that we can set in our campaigns. So if you don't have a campaign, go ahead and make a donation. You'll have access to this Growth Accelerator. If you already have one, you can come out and click on Edit Campaign, and you'll note here a field to schedule and end date. So this is essentially is for you guys that want to put this thing on autopilot, but at some point in time you want to have it stop without having to touch it. Because keep in mind, once you run it, it's going to run continuously until either you tell it to stop or until you set a specified date. And once it ends, it still could take up to 30 days or so for all of the activity to come back or the delayed credits to be paid out, right? So it can be from a day up to 30 days. So this field right here is going to allow you to preset that. So if you want to set it, you just come down here and say yes, and then specify the date that you want to schedule that closure on. So let's say I wanted to do it at the end of the year. So I'll do this in December. Or you can just type it in 26, or you can just type that in. It might be faster like that. And by doing so, I'll go ahead and say start this automation, and we'll see that it ended my previous campaign here. And the campaign settings also has this additional field on it to say end on this date. Okay, so whereas there was no setting before, now is ending on December the 31st at the end of this year. Of course, I don't necessarily want to end it, so I'm gonna go in and make that change yet again. But this is just to show you guys that this feature is now available, and it is actually required for you to either say yes or no. If you don't want to specify end date, just specify no, and you will be able to go ahead and complete your setup of this campaign. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.